Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can print on demand on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here you're going to find content, analytics, marketing, and discounts. You're going to find the sales channels, online store, and point of sale. And lastly, here you're going to find your apps. Right now, click on Add Apps. And then once you're here, go to the bottom. Right here, you're going to find Get More Recommendations in the Shopify App Store. So click on Shopify App Store. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. This is basically going to be the App Store. So just go here to the top, click on the search bar, and search for Printify. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter and then choose Printify from here, print on demand. Go ahead and click on install. And then, as you can see, guys, it will take you to this page right here. Click on install to install the app on your Shopify store. And then once you do that, as you can see, guys, it will be added right here to your dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is add your account. You can either log in, or if you don't have an account, you can just sign up. And then once you do that, you're going to be able to use all of the advantages of this application. Printify is a very popular site that will help you to manage your print on demand orders. If you want to open the full site, just click on open full site right here. And then you're going to be directed to Printify official site. Here you can check your store and so on. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.